Okay, so welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox this 1x24 diecast model of Land Rover Discovery 4 by Welly FX models, and I bought this model from aliexpress.com for nearly $20. You can also find this model at amazon.in. It has two color options, black and white. So if you want to buy it, I'll put the link in the description. If you are not already, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and you can also follow me on Instagram at miniature_automobiles for daily updates. So let's get started. Okay, so hope you have enjoyed the video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.